I don't even have adrenaline right now. That's the craziest part. I gotta warm back up to her. I've missed that growl, dude. Oh my god. So cool. I got my air vest on for the first time on the street. I'm not tethered to it, so I don't have like that anxiety of like moving the wrong way. I'm happy I did that wheelie and I didn't blow up like the muffler man, so step in the right direction. Last time I came around this corner, there was two cops sitting right here. I hit my brakes so freaking fast. Dude, it's hard to ride this bike without speeding. I was like, oh yeah, like I'm not gonna speed. Fuck, dude, I do it every time. Nice. She's shaking her head yes too. Like, yep. Solo dolo rides be hitting different. The boys are out in this area. That's two boys right there. He just don't got his lights on. Don't mind me, I'm just a traveler coming through. You know why I ride fast? Only because I listen to EDM. I'm listening to rave music right now. Duh. I wheelie this thing before. And how is this only power 3? I feel like I'm in power 1 right now. Bumper. What's wrong? Oh shit. Nope. That's the motor. That's 100% the motor. Yep. Come on, man. Dude, everything, I'm gonna be honest, y'all. Yeah, this sucks. Whatever it is, probably motor just blew. But I think everything is telling me not to ride. Like, everything is telling me not to, like, ride street bikes. I have my music playing, so I'm, like, it sounded like motor. The way that, like, it felt, I don't know. I've never blew a motor, but, like, you could also tell when a motor blows. It felt like a vibration, a deep vibration. So I think she's a goner. I literally just got her back from the shop today, so... Not tire, that's totally motor. Huh. I don't see any oil though. There's no oil leak. Nope. Oil looks good. That's crazy. I don't want to try it, but like if I do it. She's a done deal. That's beat. Oh well. More of the story is I think the universe is telling me to get off sport bikes. It is what it is.
And the one way, and I'll tell you guys this, right? The thing is, where's my other AirPod? The thing is, guys, if this didn't happen, I always think this way. Like my mind kind of jumps to like this, right? I could have died tonight if this didn't happen. If I kept riding, it could have been the end of me tonight. So I always look at these like situations like it is what it is. It happened. Can't be mad at it. Now you look for a solution. Hope you guys enjoyed me blowing my motor. So wow, you're just a fucking trophy. Like, all right, I hope you guys enjoyed.